All when you're fed up, just don't say somebody else have it worse than you.
Lion foot.
Lion foot.
Yo, Lion foot.
Lion foot.
Now Lion Foot TV.
Lion Foot TV to the fullest.
Lion Foot.
Best of the man self in a Lion Foot.
Lion foot.
Lion foot.
Lion Foot. Lion Foot.
Lion foot to the world.
Lion Foot TV.
Oh, Lion foot.
Lion Foot.
Lion foot TV.
Big up Lion Foot TV.
Lion foot.
Lion foot, you're so great, cause you're blessed by the Most High.
Bless 11 greetings all of my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness. Good morning, blessed Sunday. Anyone of the peace and love, give thanks to the rising and the awakening, you know. Yes, man, you don't know I send you nothing but love and blessings. You see me, big up everybody on the platform. You see me, all of the silent users, them the active one, them big up on myself. London boy, big up yourself. You don't know, Amlock, big up yourself. See? Now, my viewers and subscribers, if you're new to this channel, I don't know, maybe gonna please like, comment, subscribe, click the bell, share the content. Welcome. Zane? Yes, man. Yeah, man, you don't know the thing gonna support is always highly appreciated. Zane? So big up on yourself. Yes, man. Zane? So coming up in this episode of my viewers and subscribers, Bounty Killer out in the world of Skank team music. Zane?
Protect your life, try not follow no man. No.
Yes, man, we also have Masicka at St. Vincent, well received.
Me know I can't get another one. That's why me thank God.
And also the video you will see a chip in and a chip out. Izel, Protect Your Life. You're going to run through it. You can go check it out. Brand new music from Izel. Zine? Yes, man. So big up Izel and YGP One Camp. You don't know. Is it? One family, one team. Up.
Can I get a wow?
Wow.
Water with?
Wow.
Walifa?
Wow.
People check out Lion Foot TV. Can the wow say that?
Okay, my viewers and subscribers, welcome back on you. Candy Wow says check out Lion Foot TV. Big up yourself, Candy. But anyway, Bounty Killer, the general of a new song. I never know what name about. I just like the message, you know it, so I don't know what you are going.
When you're fed up, just don't say somebody else have it worse than you. And when you feel like nobody no understand you, just aim for the goal and remember keep it straight like an arrow.
You know the general say at them message I me like all when you're fed up. Just remember say there's someone out there worse than you. All when you feel like nobody no understand you. Just aim for your goal and keep it straight like an arrow. So killer make you know say don't bow out sell out for the fame. Aim for your goal and keep it straight. And so me I say, the man make you know say yo, look care how rough time is. Just remember say somebody has it worse than you, so be grateful. And so me I say, this remind me of one of my songs. We sing about depression, you know. If you're having suicidal thoughts, try to ignore that. There are people out there worse than you. You should know that. And so me and some viewers and subscribers, big up general. This sound like a new song, you know.
We all feel pain, we all feel sorrow, exhausted and drained, but we still want tomorrow. Seeking a better way, we are brighter day when we work as one.
Hey, that song is a masterpiece, you know, for the people and we are going through the struggles right now, you know. We all feel pain, we all feel sorrow, exhausted and drained, but we still go on tomorrow. See, when I feel exhausted, I still going out, they going to hunt it, you know. Big up youth, them we are wipe car glass, you know. Seeking a better way. You know what I mean? For a brighter day when we work as one. And so I say people like that song, let me know what you think. We just love the message. I don't know the title of the song, but we just love the message. That's why I don't know. It's a positive view. So I have to put it on the platform for uplift my fans them. And so I say some fans let me know what you think in the comment section. Big up Bounty Killer. Next, my viewers and subscribers, watch a piece from Masicka and St. Vincent and now. And look how Masicka thing set. It's not normal. Yeah, they say entrance. You know, so Masicka entrance. Mad, you see the fans them a scream, the girl, the ladies them a scream. I don't know the general ever say one genocide. So me I say one crocodile. You see my viewers and subscribers. So big up Masicka out there, St. Vincent. Well received, fan base no normal, bad recording artist, lyrical artist. But still, why here if you got answer Skank, you know, our Masicka does not appear Skank no man. I still I give them one of the silent style. So me I say. But my viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think. Big up Masicka, Z. So now we're going to run into Izel song right now. Protect Your Life. I don't know, it's a Kingpin production. Then, yes, my viewers and subscribers. So big up on yourself and I will love you say, you know. Let's get into it now. Yeah, man.
Life for the greatest thing. Don't put your mind on no waste spreadsheet.
Yes, man, sorry, me have to stop with this about it. So the man intro the song, life are the greatest thing. Don't put your mind on no waste, virgin. Don't put your mind on no waste, people. Nobody draw you out. Life are the greatest thing. You see me I say? Yes, man, and this vocal sound clean and crispy. You see me I say? Yeah, man.
Protect your life, try not follow no man. No. Me know I can't get another one. That's why me thank God.
Youths, you know I hear that? Protect your life, try not follow no man. Me know you can't get another life. You see me I say, so no man draw no think before you act. And that Izel I couldn't know, you know. Yes, man.
Protect your life, try not follow no man. No. Me know I can't get another one. That's why me thank God.
Hey, I don't know what no man in the but me I protect my life and my 3 points, you know. That's why I live good with people. You know, enough time imagine what it's like to be dead. When they're dead and gone, you know existence no more. You see me I say, and some man just give them life so easy start. Izel, big up for that song, yeah, man. Positive, positive.
People love yourself. Depart from negativity, unity and strength. Take the time out here to study yourself. Man, show away the poison that no good for your health.
People love on themselves, depart from negativity, unity and strength. Take the time and go study yourself. You see me I say, violence no good for your health. Hey, big up Izel, this is another masterpiece. I don't know, Izel recently do a song with M. Bad piece of song as well. You see me I say, but viewers and subscribers, this is a Kingpin production. I mean, I like the bad so far.
Me see some people like them losing them sense. Start make a little money and approve for your lens. And see they know the whole community tense. You have to just be careful when you're choosing your friends. Me say,
yo, me not like Izel. Everything where I say a real reality. You see me? We see some people like them losing themselves. Start make a bag of money and them want to run ends. You see me? See they know the whole community tense. Jano Star. The man them make the money and buy up the gun them in the community them. We don't support that. Use the money and do something better. Football tournaments, club, you know, library for the youth them for go learn or something. Do some treat or something. Oh, me not like Izel. I love that song. You say it? Mad.
Protect your life, try not follow no man. No. Me know I can't get another one. That's why me thank God.
Protect your life, try not follow no man. Me know I can't get another one. That's why I give thanks. Thank Father God for life. You know, viewers and subscribers will come to the end of this vlog review. Let me know what you think about Bounty Killer new song, Masicka and St. Vincent. I don't know, Izel with the big bad song, Protect Your Life. Youths, put on the guns them now, saying, I don't know whether they are football, brand new, the season going to start, so referee versus the players them, so I don't know. Big up on yourself. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share and click the bell. YGP1 Cam, big up on yourself. Izel, big up yourself. World Jamaica, live good, live clean, protect your life. I don't know, I'm out. Not another word out of my mouth. Say it? Yes, man. Look forward for the next vlog. You know? Yeah, man. Peace and love. And that's how we keep the thing real on the back of the field. Say it? Protect your life. Yeah, man. Cheers.
Life for the greatest thing.
Thanks for watching Lionfoot TV.